everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking on a quick tutorial on how to create an invoice on the Makesales platform. Now, after you've logged into your account, you navigate down to the invoice section on the left-hand side of your screen. When you click on it, the page is displayed. If you have created an invoice before, automatically you get to see it here. But for this tutorial, we would like to create a new invoice. So at the up right hand side of your screen, you see the Create Invoice button. When you click on it, another page is displayed where you get to fill out the necessary information as regards the particular customer. If you are creating an invoice for an existing customer, all you need to do is to click on this Choose button, and then you get to select the customer that you would like to create an invoice for. But if it's a new customer, all you have to do is to fill out the customer's details. After you're done imputing that, the next thing will be to fill out the invoice details. That is, when is this invoice starting and when is it going to be due? Automatically, the day that you are creating the invoice is the invoice start date, and the due date can be the length to which you would like this invoice to still be valid. So let's say for this tutorial, we'd want to pick 2 days. So automatically the currency is set to Nigerian naira for you. And since this is our second invoice, we'll number it as 02. Now the next thing to do is to include the particular product that this customer would like to get, and then you select the item for the customer. After you're done, you get to see them here. If you would like to add or reduce it, you can do with this the plus buttons here. Then the next part will be either you would like to include a note for the customer, and also if this particular product comes with a coupon code and also delivery location. So also for the delivery location part, if you have all the deliveries, you can just come here and pick. But if it's a new delivery for this particular customer, you can click on this add delivery location to impute a new delivery location. And lastly, if a tax is applicable to any of the products you had selected to create this invoice, you can toggle this button to include that. So while you try to preview it, over here by the right hand side of your screen, you get to see a live preview as to how your invoice is going to look when you get to download it to share to your customers. When you have confirmed that everything is correct, now you can now click on the Create Invoice button. Once you have created the invoice button, you get to choose either you want to share it directly via these channels to your customer, or you want to copy it and send to them. Once you have copied it, you get a notification like this saying that you have copied the invoice link. And automatically it goes to the other chat. Now over here, you get to see the status of it showing as pending. But once the customer makes payment, it's going to show, the status is going to change to paid. And over here, you get to see the checkout URL and also the order URL where the customer can just copy, and it takes them directly to the checkout URL where they can make payment or to preview the order. And also here, you see all the other details that was included, the notes that we added to this particular invoice, the grand total of what the customer picked, as well as the customer information and delivery information. So after that is done, you go back to your invoice, and automatically you get to see the invoice that was just created for that particular customer and also the status of it. So that is how easy it is to create an invoice on the Makesales platform. So until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye.